Welcome to the University of Colorado's Mountain Research Station. We're here at the Drought snowtail site making measurements of snow. We're having quite a historic year for snowpack. We're at record lows, and so we're really just happy to find some snow on the ground. We walked up the road, didn't even need snowshoes. All we saw were some melted out, refrozen patches. So we walked into the snowtail site and took a look around, kind of surveying the scene. And once we've picked our site, we kind of dig to the bottom, we carve a face out at the front, and we start making measurements the full depth of the pit. This is a class, so we're here to explore and kind of learn from what types of snow might be existing on the ground during this historic snow year. So we started just measuring the total depth, and now we're measuring snow density. With those two measurements, you can estimate how much water is in the snow. We're also measuring the temperature of the snow. We found it's pretty isothermal. Isothermal just means that the snow is all at the same temperature. It's all at 0 degrees. The snow grain size, we're seeing really rounded snow grains, kind of consistent with the snowpack that's kind of melting out.
Getting this kind of data and this information can then help for comparisons in the future. If it does get way hotter, then a study 10 years down the line in this place might be able to be compared to what we did here today, and then that could glean more information.
The students in this class are so excited to be out making field measurements. It's really special to be coming up to the Mountain Research Station. It's a very different hands-on experience.